Not my ear, honey.
Hello, Scooty. Scooty Moody.
All in my ear.
Madeline, watch this. Now let's see.
All this cat smell.
I smell like cat food.
For Uncle Dennis.
Only for you, Madeline.
Oh, here she is.
Oh, it's in your ear.
Oh, Smokey,
Oh,
look
that's
what I
most
got for
unfortunate.
you. A cute tree. Look at
Oh
this.
my goodness.
Look, what's that?
Oh. Oh my. It's working. There's a couple more pieces there, Smokey.
Smokey, tickle.
Keep going. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No, there's more.
Oh.
I'm having a little trouble getting that one. She got it. There we go. I think that's the last one, honey.
Oh my gosh.
I can
Smokey Kitty, what were you doing? What were you
I don't like to do
What were you doing?
Well.